Boulder Alley. This is Boulder Alley, the most dangerous run on Devils Racetrack. What? I see it, baby. Yeah, I see your hand. I see it. Devils Racetrack. This is Boulder Alley, and it is seriously dangerous. Careful. This is serious action here, guys. Y'all ever been on this trail before?
Once. A long time ago.
We almost flipped our rig coming this way.
Huh?
This is dangerous. This is the worst part right here, guys. Scary shit going on.
It's not that bad, but she's freaking out and I can't make myself.
This is where we almost rolled it, right where they're at. Almost rolled it.
I can't hold myself and hold Abby at the same time. There's a lot of people coming now.
This is called Boulder Alley. That girl, look at her. She's gonna stay in. This guy doesn't even have a seatbelt on. He doesn't have nothing on. No safety, no protection, no nothing. Boulder Alley, people. We went through it and almost flipped our rig right here. This is the most dangerous spot in this whole trail. There he goes, he's got it. You got it, buddy. There you go. To be honest with you, I don't know how we made it. I'm gonna tell you right now, that is some scary shit. Scary, scary shit. No four-wheel drive? Wow.
Doesn't look that fucking bad.
This guy says it ain't that bad. He says it's easy. All right, this is Boulder Alley up here on Devils Racetrack in San Rafael Swell, and we just got done watching a couple guys go through here. Now we're going to see a couple guys coming the other way, and I'm going to tell you right now, this, what we're on right now, this is the scariest part of this trail. You can't see what it looks like in the camera, but I'm going to tell you right now, this is very, very dangerous and very scary. So here comes our first contestant. He's going to come whipping through here. And I'm telling you right now, people, this is some bad shit. Some bad, bad shit. There he comes. most dangerous part of this trail right here, people. It's called Boulder Alley. And I almost had a heart attack. I almost had a heart attack. This is something that you just don't want to do if you do not know what you're doing. Okay, we got situations. She doesn't want to ride. I'm with you, sweetheart. This ain't a first time for him. Okay, the lady that just got out of this RZR said she cannot watch. Good job, buddy. Good job. Good job. I can tell you right now, this guy's shitting his pants. He's shitting his pants. Woo! Woo! That's a scary one. Scary one. That's a scary one, buddy. I'm not even gonna say nothing. I'm just gonna get out of the way. Okay, hold on. Hold on. We got a situation. Whatever you do, don't stop. Man, oh man. I don't even like watching this. I don't even like watching this. This is scary just watching this shit. This guy ain't got nothing to hold on to. Okay, he's thinking about it. He's thinking about it. Whatever you do, don't stop. You got somebody behind you. Okay, he's gonna go for it. This is scary shit, people. I'm telling you now. This is extreme. This is extreme. There you go. You got it, bro. Okay, got the big four-seater. There you go. That's how you do it. Don't go slow. Devils Racetrack. And Minnie doesn't even want to get back in. Look at her. Minnie's like, fuck this shit. That buggy right there, that has a motorcycle on the back of it. The motorcycle broke down. So he has a motorcycle strapped to the back of his buggy, and he's gonna come through here. I want to see this motorcycle come through here, bud.
All right. Oh, on the back.
The one with the motorcycle on back. I helped him put that bike up there. This is some dangerous action right here, buddy.
Oh, yeah.
We almost flipped our rig over. So we're waiting on them to get their rig set up. And once again, this is Boulder Alley. And I'm gonna tell you right now, this is dangerous, dangerous shit right here. Dangerous. This is a lot worse. This is a lot worse than Hell's Redemption. A lot worse. Here he comes. There he is. He's on three wheels. He's on three wheels. There he goes. Okay. He can do it. Here he goes. Watch out, buddy. Don't get on the back side of that. That thing will flip over on you. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes.
All right, I'm gonna work on little boys.
Yeah.
We usually come right where you're at.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously, we're actually just thinking maybe with less suspension on his, if he was to bring it down,
I'm thinking about having
put
it
it
ride
tell
that
him
rock.
right here. And then once he goes here, just
Look at that. Look at these little kids here. You can kind of gander and see how extreme this drop off is. All right, we're gonna have to take the bike off. We're gonna take the bike off? I would. I'd go ahead and do it. You got enough guys here, we can lift it off. Okay, we just got done taking the bike off. So, I'd hug that wall. Everybody's been hugging that wall. And don't stop. I shouldn't even open my big mouth, because if it flips, he's gonna say, you told me to. You told me.
What?
There he goes. Okay, they're gonna tell him. I'm not telling him. Fuck that shit. Ay, son of a bitch. That's an ass squeezing situation right there. Ass pincher, ass pincher, ass pincher. All right, I think we've seen enough. What do you think, buddy? You think we've seen enough action today? Huh? Yeah. All right. Minnie the Razor Rider. Oh my God, you almost killed me. You know that, right?
It was real fucking close.
You almost killed me.
It was real close.
I was hollering and screaming like a little baby child. You weren't even paying attention. In your head, you were saying, shut up, shut the fuck up, shut up, shut up. Oh my God, I thought we were going.
We're going over! So I
thought
hit
we were
the
going.
gas.
Oh,
We didn't
Jesus.
go over. It was very scary.
That was pretty scary.
God
I will
was-
tell you this.
God was...
Yeah, listen to this. Going that way is easier than coming this way. I will tell you that. And another thing that we...
I don't want to do that again.
Well, we might have to, but another thing that screwed us
No,
up...
we don't have to.
Yeah, we do.
No,
Listen
we
to
don't.
me. Another thing that screwed us up, we didn't have a spotter. If we would have been going slower and had a spotter...
You told me not to stop. I didn't even stop. We ran through
If you would have
bitch.
stopped, my elbow would be laying on that rock over there, and those guys would be picking us up in pieces. I'm driving now. I'm gonna get out of the rocks. You're too scary, baby.
We're already out of the bad part.
Are you sure?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Nothing could be worse than that.
I don't know. That was the worst that I've ever done. How about you?
That was the close. That was.
And
real-
that, my friend, was Boulder Alley.
Yeah, that was the Boulder
Oh my
Alley,
God.
Yeah. That was that was as scary as being right on the edge.
Oh, man.
Just thinking you're gonna fall off the cliff.
Yeah, look at these guys. They're still going through it over there.
They don't even,
Well.
They don't even.